Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you what is Stripe payment and how does Stripe work. Okay, so just give me a minute. I will explain each and everything here. Stripe is a technology company that's provide economic infrastructure for the internet. So this is a hard term. Let me explain you in an easy way. Business for all sizes, from new startups to public companies, use this software for the payment and manage their business online. Right. So for example, if you're running a website, you need a payment system who can accept your payments from customers, right? If you're using, for example, Shopify, and if you're using a Google or some different websites, of course, you need to integrate with a payment system who can accept your payment, and the customer can get a variety of payment mode. For example, they can go with a UPI, debit card, credit card, PayPal, and some different forms of payment, right? And it can only get provided with a payment infrastructure, payment websites and payment modes. So Stripe is one of them, and Stripe is pretty popular between the dropshippers in US and most of the Western countries, right? And I hope you understood. Stripe payment is a service that allow business to receive payments over the internet. Stripe provide a secure and efficient way to handle transaction, making it easier for the business to accept credit card payment, digital wallets, and other payment methods. Now, how does this work? Of course, I will show you how to sign in and log in app. First of all, let's talk about the integration. Business integrates Stripe into their website or mobile app using Stripe API, which is really easy. Once you just go and watch on any of the channel, and you will come to know that you will how you can just accept it. Right, when a customers make a purchase, Stripe process the payment by securely transmitting the payment information from the customer card to the merchant card. Security, it's good. Payout after the payment is proceed funds and transfer to the merchant bank. Stripe offer flexible payment schedule, allowing business to receive their money as soon as the next business day is. So overall, Stripe simplified the payment process for business, providing a reliable and scalable solution for handling online transaction. Now, I will show you how to get into the Stripe. So first of all, you have to go and click on sign in, which is on the top right. And once you go and click to make an account in Stripe, it's really easy. You have to use an email address and your phone number, and that's it. So I have already made it. So I will just go and click on sign in, right? And once you are inside a Stripe, now, once you are inside the Stripe, here on the left side, you will see all this feature here. Right now, I am into the test mode. Now, let's first of all create. So if you just go and create, here you will get a lot of option. For example, you want to create an invoice, subscription, payment link, and payments. For example, let me show you. So payment is a one-time charge. Payment link is a link to pay. For example, I will just go and click on payment link here, and it will just give me a preview that how this is looks. Of course, a customer can just enter the email address, card number, and whatever the amount it is, and you will able to accept a payment from that customer or from that person, right? Same thing, you can just go and click on payment. So payment is a one time here, and once you are here, you can just enter the amount. For example, you are want to take a payment from one of the customer that is $500, so you have to just enter $500 here. Make sure you change your currency to US dollars here. Write the customer name, email address, and description for what's the product regarding, of what's the purchase regarding. Now enter the card number and each and everything, and you will able to submit payment. Right, so it's really easy, and to integrate it, it's one of the easiest way to integrate. So let me show you. Let me take you to my Shopify here. So let's say if you are in your Shopify, or if you're using a Wix or Squarespace or whatever website, WordPress and everything, right? Just go to the settings of your control panel, and then you have to go to the payment section here. And once you're inside the payment section, click on choose a provider. And here automatically you will see this option of Stripe. If you're not getting this, search for it. Now click on it. And once you click on it, it will show you what kind of payment mode it can accept: Apple Pay, American Express, MasterCard, and Visa. Now, once you click on it will redirect to your Stripe here. So first of all, you have to select your account, then just go and click on connect. Same way, it's really easy. You have to follow the same process, and automatically it will get connected to your store, your website. And in this way, you can just accept the payments. Right, I hope you found this video very useful, and if you have any kind of confusion or question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.